Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute picture for Father's Day. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a picture for Father's Day. I'm drawing a big Papa Penguin. And I'm drawing the baby penguin. To do the coloring, I'm using my black pen. I'm using my gray pen. And I'm using my orange pen. Now let's write something special about Father's Day. So I'm using my blue pen to write, Best dad is my dad. Wow, it's beautiful. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.